Hi everyone, here we've got a NOKIA C20 and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So how to add new one and then how to remove it. So firstly, we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down in order to find accounts. As you can see here, we've got also whole Google section and you can add or remove the Google account using it, but I personally prefer doing it using accounts. So let me show you how to do it here. Let's tap on this option, add account, choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection before, because it is very important and required. And from this we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it if you want to. Just tap on it and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Obviously, you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And wait a second. And as you can see, it actually immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your NOKIA C20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.